Parang telenovela. Madam Anita Cleopas.
Hi, Jasmine. Happy 18th birthday, my beautiful daughter. Today, you officially step into adulthood, but to me, you will always be my little girl. The one I first held in my arms, prayed over, and loved beyond words. These 18 years have been the greatest gift of my life. I've watched you grow into a kind, strong, and wonderful young woman, and I'm so incredibly proud of the person you are becoming. You have a beautiful heart, a bright mind, and a future filled with endless possibilities. As you begin this new chapter, remember this. Be brave when life feels uncertain. Be kind, especially to yourself. Chase your dreams with faith and confidence. And never forget that you are deeply loved no matter where life takes you. Life won't always be easy, but you are stronger than you think. I will always be here to support you, guide you, and love you unconditionally. No matter how old you get, you will always have a home in my heart. Happy 18th birthday, my love. May God bless you, protect you, and guide every step of your journey.
Ladies and gentlemen, Madam Anita Cleopas. And I wanted to highlight the most important thing in that speech. It's like the school